In this video we will see how to obtain the generator polynomial for BCH code with n equal to 15. So for n equal to 15 we have to use the field Galois field 16. So the primitive polynomial is x raised to 4 plus x plus 1. We have seen this table, we have obtained this table in the previous videos where we were studying about the Galois field basics. So there we have used this primitive polynomial and obtained these minimal polynomials for different elements in Galois field 16. So the detailed video about all these is available on this channel. So if n equal to 15, you have to use this if the primitive polynomial is given as x raised to 4 plus x plus 1. Or it may happen that they will give you this table also and ask you to obtain the minimal polynomial generator polynomial for BCH code, because in one problem obtaining all these minimal polynomials, then using this primitive polynomial will be very lengthy, and for 8 marks it will definitely be lengthy. So they may give you the minimal polynomial list also. For Galois field 8, it is easy to obtain, but for Galois field 16 it will take the time. So they might give you the minimal polynomial, or you can check the question paper and see how questions come in the question paper. So for BCH code with n equal to 15, we have to use Galois field 16. So TC, that is error correction capacity, is 1. Now we have to obtain the m like 2 raised to m is equal to n plus 1. This is the equation. So 2 raised to m is equal to 15 plus 1, that is 2 raised to m is equal to 16. That is m equal to 4. That's why we have used the Galois field 16, because 2 raised to 4 is 16. So here m is obtained with these two inputs. So m is 4, that's why we are using Galois field 16. Then you have to obtain 2TC. 2TC is 2 into 1, TC is 1. So that is equal to 2. Why 2TC? Because here you have to write that Gx is LCM of minimal polynomials of alpha square up to alpha raised to 2TC. Now here 2TC is 2, so we will go up to alpha square only. So minimal polynomial of alpha square and its conjugates. So what is conjugates? So alpha's conjugates are alpha square, alpha 4, alpha 8. Alpha 3's conjugates are 6, 9, 12. 5's conjugates are 10. 7's conjugates are 11, 13, 14. Likewise. So minimal polynomial of alpha and alpha square is alpha is x raised to 4 plus x plus 1. And alpha square is x raised to 4 plus x plus 1. So LCM of these two is x raised to 4 plus x plus 1. So this is the Gx. Now you have to see the degree of Gx. Degree of Gx is 4. So there is second equation, n minus k is equal to degree of Gx. So n minus k is equal to 4. So 15 minus k is equal to 4. So k is equal to 15 minus 4 is 11. So for this BCH code, where code word length is 15, then message word length is k is equal to 11. Now take another error correcting capacity, that is TC equal to 2, n equal to 15. So 2TC is equal to 4. So Gx is equal to LCM of minimal polynomials of alpha square, alpha cube, alpha raised to 4. This 4. Alpha raised to 2TC. You have to go up to alpha raised to 2TC from alpha. So alpha square 3, 4 and its conjugates. So alpha's minimal polynomial is this one, x raised to 4 plus x plus 1. Alpha squares is also x raised to 4 plus x plus 1. Alpha cube is x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Alpha 4 is again x square plus x raised to 4 plus x plus 1. So this x raised to 4 plus x plus 1 and its conjugates means other parts. So common are common will be get cancelled out. So x raised to 4 plus x plus 1, amongst these three you will take only one, x raised to 4 plus x plus 1 and this one, because this is LCM. That's why Among for these 3 you are taking 1 only. Then you have to multiply these two brackets. If you multiply these two brackets, the common terms will get cancelled out. Like here x raised to 4, then 5. So let us do the multiplication. So x raised to 4 and all these terms. So x raised to 4 multiplied by all these terms is x raised to 8, then x raised to 7, then x raised to 6, then x raised to 5, and x raised to 4. After that you have to multiply x with all this term. So x raised to 5, then x raised to 4, then x cube, then x square, and x then with 1. So same terms, x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x plus 1. So similar will get cancelled out because 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Or this is a x mod 2 operation, that's why. So remaining is x8, x7, x6, x4, 1. Now here n minus k is degree of gx. So degree of gx is 8. So n minus k is equal to 8. N is 15. K we don't know, equal to 8. So 15 minus 8 is equal to k. So k equal to 7. So you got the k. So like you have to obtain the k after gx only. So t is equal to 3, then 2t is equal to 6. So LCM of minimal polynomials of alpha, alpha square, cube, 4, 5, 6. Up to 6 you have to go. Up to 6 and its conjugates. So LCM of now alpha, alpha square, alpha's minimal polynomial is x raised to 4 plus x plus 1. Alpha square is again x raised to 4. Alpha square is x raised to 4 plus x plus 1. Alpha cube is x4, x cube, x square, x plus 1. x4, x cube, x square plus x plus 1. Alpha 4 is again x raised to 4 plus x plus 1. And alpha 5 is x square plus x plus 1. Then alpha 6 is this one again, 4 3 square x plus 1. So common will get cancelled out. So amongst these you will take only one, x4 plus x plus 1, then x square plus x plus 1, and among these two you will take only 4 3 2 x1. Okay, so these two are there, amongst that you will take 1. x4 3 are there, for that you will take only 1, and x square plus x plus 1. Again you have to do the multiplication of these three. If you do the multiplication of these three brackets, you will get x10 plus x8 plus x5 plus x4 plus x square plus x plus 1 as the multiplication. Multiplication is very easy, as here I have already explained how to do the multiplication. You have to take these any two brackets first and obtain the result. After that you have to take third bracket and do the multiplication. When you do the multiplication, you take one term at a time. So if you take x4, then add 4 in every powers of the term, remaining brackets terms. If here is 1, so add 1. Here x raised to 1, that's why I add 1 to every term. 1 is you have to write all these terms again. So it's easy, you can do it. So x raised to 10, so degree of gx is 10. So n minus k is 10, so k equal to 15 minus 10, so k equal to 5. So likewise you can obtain the generator polynomial for BCH codes.